Hi guys, I had another question from someone who wanted to know, do sit-ups really flatten your belly? Okay. Well, first of all, most of the fat in the gut is coming from higher levels of insulin, but there's two different types of fat. You have the superficial fat, which is right underneath the skin, and you have the deeper fat around the organs. That's called the visceral fat. So we have visceral and superficial. Both of these types of fat are being caused primarily by too much insulin. Now, you could also have too much cortisol from the adrenal gland. That comes from stress, but what cortisol does is it turns your muscles into sugar, which elevates insulin. So ultimately, it's the insulin that does this situation, but it can come from stress. But mainly it will come from eating too many carbohydrates and the refined nature in sugars, high fructose corn syrup, and also just eating too frequent. So if you were to do a hardcore exercise routine that targets the abdominal muscles, yet omitted an eating plan that reduced the insulin by lowering the carbs and decreasing the frequency of eating, the results would be insignificant. So if you have a gut and you're frustrated and it's not working with your exercise routine and you want to speed things up, just realize that the superficial fat and the visceral fat both are directly and only coming from high levels of insulin. And getting on a program that targets insulin will be your best solution in getting your stomach flat. So I put a link down below of exactly how to do it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Keep spreading the word and share this video.